It's Kevin. He's keen on traveling. Kevin has traveled to many cities and countries. It's not easy to surprise him, but we did. The city at a glance. It's yours. Download the route. Let's go. You know everything. Surprise Me makes local from a tourist. Photo. You're welcome. Choose a guide, a pro, blogger, or maybe just a cheerful guy. Roaming works even without the internet. To get lost? No, we don't have this option. Discover hidden spots. What's that? Boredom. Surprise Me shares the facts, which usual guides are silent about. Go fast if you want. Or chill. Choose your own pace. Nobody hurries you up. Tour with quizzes. We have it. Augmented reality. We have it. Just point the camera at the target a moment and you already know everything. Hey Kev, how about a photo in Instagram? Share photos from Surprise Me in one click. One and done. We make every city surprising, even the one you've lived in whole life.